Sa Amerika naman, kumakandidato ang kauna-unahang Pinay Mayor ng Daly City na si Jocelyn Manalo bilang County Supervisor sa District 5 ng San Mateo, California. Ang kanyang mga plano alamin sa agenda report ni U.S. Correspondent Henny Espinosa.
Let me now introduce the next supervisor in 2028, Justin Manalo.
Sila ang mga history-making Filipino-Americans na nagsasanib puwersa. Ang unang PhilAm California Attorney General na si Rob Bonta, suportado ang kampanya ng kauna-unahang Pinay Mayor ng Daly City na si Jocelyn Manalo na tumatakbo bilang San Mateo County Supervisor para sa District 5. Malaki ang Filipino population sa San Mateo County, California, lalo na sa Daly City kung saan 1/3 ng population ay may dugong Pinoy.
Public service is a calling, and being 10 years on the city council, a 3-time mayor, there's so much work to do. And on a county level, you know, it's really the safety net services that touch our community at the core. We talk about affordable housing, we talk about transit, we talk about all these pieces that really enrich the livelihood of our communities.
She's been delivering. She's been head down, sleeves rolled up in the trenches, making the people her top priority, whether it be gun buybacks to make communities safer from gun violence, or building more housing for teachers, or whatever it is, she always has the voters in mind. So, you know, she's been on full display doing her work year after year and doing it well, doing it with heart, dealing with compassion, doing it with good values.
Tubong Daly City si Manalo at bata pa lang siya ay tinuruan na siyang maglingkod sa kapwa ng kanyang mga magulang.
The best thing that I can tell about Justin is very fashionable in helping people.
Nakatutok ang public service ni Manalo sa pakikibaka sa karapatan, lalo na ng mga underserved communities. Sakaling manalo si Jocelyn Manalo, she is poised to make history once again by becoming the first Asian American to hold a district supervisor seat in San Mateo County. At kahit sa 2028 pa ang eleksyon, handa na siyang mangampanya kasama ang suporta ng mga kababayan niya.
Happy birthday to you!
Masaya ang pagdiriwang ng kaarawan ni Manalo kamakailan lang dahil formal na niyang inanunsyo sa komunidad ang kandidatura niya. Hindi lang si California Attorney General Rob Bonta ang umendorso sa kanya, pati na rin ang current seating supervisor ng District 5, si David Canepa.
Justin has done just such an incredible job as mayor of Daly City, whether it's saving Seton Medical Center, whether it's providing affordable housing. But most importantly, I think her election represents what the future is. And the future is, when they did district elections, to make sure someone, a person of color, but especially a Filipino-American, is elected. And so I think having a Filipina-American, having a woman in this seat who's Filipino is needed. And I think that perspective is really going to take the county to another level.
I believe it's all of us together, because when I bring forth the issues that the community sees at the forefront, then I'm taking community with me. To the community, I can't do this without you. Together, we're going to continue. We're going to make sure that we put at the forefront the needs of our community in that Bayanihan spirit.
Inilarawan ni Manalo ang kanyang leadership style. Aniya, gumagawa siya ng pulisiya hindi para sa komunidad, kundi kasama ng komunidad.
Together we can! Together we can! Together we can! Together we can! Thank you so much!
Para sa agenda, Henny Espinosa, Billionaire News Channel, Burlingame, California.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel, sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.